Today we're making pork chops in rosemary wine sauce. Once your skillet is nice and hot, you're going to brown the pork chops on each side. So allow them to brown on one side, then turn each of them over and brown on the second side over a high heat. This won't take but a few minutes. Then pour in the sauce and turn your pan to a medium to low temperature. And the sauce will boil and thicken up. And then once you've moved the pork chops around in the sauce, then you can place a cover on top while you gather your next item. And remove the cover and add your mushrooms. And then you will pour in the cream, which I did not show in the step, but that was my dog. So bring it to a simmer, and then the sauce will thicken, and add your rosemary, salt, and pepper to the dish. You can pour some of the sauce over the pork chops before serving. And there's your quick, easy 15-minute meal. Pork chops with rosemary and wine sauce. For this and more recipes, head over to my blog, createdbydiane.com.